we're gonna warm up today by counting by tens to 120 again. We can do it. We did it the other day, first time, but we can do this. Think for just a second. What did we do when we got to 100? Okay, we went to 110. Okay, here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So once you get to 100, you just start again with 10, 110, 120, 130, and you just keep going. So once you get to 100 by tens, just remember, I'm going to say the words 100, and then watch my finger counting again. When I get to 200, I'm going to do the same thing. 210, 220, 230, and on and on. You will be counting forever, but we only need to go to 120. Okay. Our lesson today is I can complete an addition sentence by finding the unknown part. Okay, and you'll figure out what I mean here in just a minute. All right, so I was cleaning up before I got on here, and I had my Post-its from the other day that I was trying to clean up, and I must have dropped some because I thought the other day when we were using those that I had 10, but I don't think that I have them. I think I only have 8. Let's see how many I did find. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I did only find 8 of them. I only found 8. So I have to figure out how many am I looking for? Because when am I going to know if I find them all? And I want to make sure I have them all, because if I started with 10, I want to make sure I keep 10 so I don't waste them. So I need to figure out how many do I still need to find. So stop for just a moment. Think about, how could you figure that out? What could you use in your toolkit to help you figure that out? How many more we need to find to get to 10? Oh, your counters is a good idea. Your 10 frame would be a good idea too. Okay, because I know a 10 frame, and if I had 10 Post-it notes, that would fill up all of the 10 frame, wouldn't it? What if I rearrange these kind of in a 10 frame size? Because I know there are 5 on a row. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I put these like they're the second row, how many more do I need to find? 1, 2. I need to find 2 more. Okay. So if I don't have the Post-its, maybe I have something that I can't move around quite that easily. If I know that I have 8, okay, so I have 8. Let's count fingers. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there's 8. Now, okay, so here's where we're starting. Now I'm at 8. Now I don't need, I'm going to count on up, but I don't need to add a finger for 8 because I have already got him. Okay, that's just where I start. So I only say out loud the number that I start. It's going to be 8. Okay, then the numbers that I say after that are the ones that I'm going to put a finger up for. Okay, so after 8 comes 9, 10. Okay, so I have 2 fingers up. How many more Post-its do I need to find? 2. 2. Okay. All right, so that would look like this. If I had it written as an unknown part, it would look something like that. And I'm trying to find out what goes in that spot that there's no number. But now I know what that number is, and I can put a 2 there. Okay, let's try another one. Let's see, how many am I going to start with this time? Okay, we'll leave them in the 10 frame shape. All right, okay, so now I have a full row, which is 5, and I have another one down here, so I have 6. But I need to know how many this time. I don't have 10. I want to get to 8. So if I know I have 6, am I going to count 6 when I'm counting up? No, he's already there. We already have him. So we need to find out how many more. So after 6 is 7, 8. How many fingers do I have up? Okay, I have 2. So that means my equation that I started with should have looked something like this. Okay. And what number am I going to put in the spot that I don't have a number? That's my unknown or my missing number. We said 2. All right. Let's try another one. This time, oh dear, I only have 1, 2, 3 of them. So I'm going to start with 3. And now I need to see how many more do I need, because this time I want 9 all together. Okay, so get your fingers ready. If I start with 3, don't put a finger up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. How many fingers do I have up this time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 6 equals 9. Okay. Be writing these down as we do them. Okay. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Okay. We're going to do another one. I want you to write this one down too. You can use your counters to help you figure it out. This time, I'm going to start with that. And that, it's going to be that number, isn't it? 4 plus something equals 8. Okay. I'm going to give you a second. See if you can write this down. Use your counters and figure out what goes in that spot. 4 plus something equals 8. And if you need more time to figure it out, when I start, I'll tell you when I'm going to start. If you need more time, just pause the video, and then when you figure it out, then you can start the video again and see if you're right. Okay, let's talk about it now. So if you don't have it, pause. If you've got it, you're fine. Okay, 4, I'm going to start at 4 and count up. So after 4 is 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to stop at 8 because that's where I want to stop. So how many fingers did I put up? I put up 4. Oh, so 4 plus 4 equals 8. Okay, we're going to try one more. Just like that one, we're going to start it out and then I'm going to have you figure it out. And if you need a little bit more time, just put me on pause. Okay. Post-it notes. There are 5 plus, how many more do I need? What's my missing number this time to get to 7? Okay, if you need more time, hit pause. After 5 comes 6, 7. Fingers up are 2. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. All right. Good job. I want you to see if you can come up with a problem all your own and do it. And if you do, you can draw a picture of it, kind of like we did here, and then you can write your equation, but make sure you put a line of what's missing, and then give me your answer, and I'll see if I can do it too, okay? All right, give me some good ones. I'll see you later.